everybody, welcome, and thanks to absolutely everyone who turned into the live stream yesterday. That was superb. Well, it was today, but I'm filming this after the live stream, the intro bit. But thanks to everyone who turned it up anyway. It's absolutely brilliant. Now we're going to do another school dinners today. Hopefully I don't burn my hand. So I've got my wheel set up, so let's give it a spin and see what we're going to do. So I can go to the shop and get the ingredients. We'll do it as live as is, so there's no cheating. So bear with me a second. See, I think you can see that, can't you? Let's give it a spin. Moment of truth. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Cowboy Hotpot. Oh, that could be a good one. Cowboy Hotpot. So I'm going to remove that. Boom. Cowboy Hotpot. Oh yes, I'm looking forward to that one. Let's check what the recipes are on that. Let's get you back up. Camera works everywhere. Do apologise. I want to do it as is. Where is it? Cowboy Hotpot. Cowboy Hotpot. Page 28. There's all the ingredients. I'm not going to read them out on air because I'll do it when I buy all the stuff. So that's just in case you want to do it yourselves. Boom. And the instructions. Right, off to the shop. Right, I've been to the shop. This is everything I've got. The only thing I never bought was stock cubes because I already had them. So we've got mince, say 700 gram, but these are two 500, so I'm just going to use all them. That's all they had actually. They had a 750 gram, but the colour of it looked like it gone off, so I weren't having that. What else we got? We've got 2 onions, 120 sweet corn. They had no sweet corn, so I had to buy this. The normal sweet corn's about 45p. That was £1.20 I think, but that's all they had. So I used some of that. Potatoes, stock cube I've done. Tomato puree, 2 tins of beans, dash of Tabasco. I had to get the Tabasco from Tesco, don't do it up Aldi, and just some salt and pepper to taste. So it's quite simple, this one. All goes in the pot. So what I'll do is I'll get the tomatoes, the carrots chopped up and the potatoes chopped up and peeled, and the onions. I'll prepare it all, then we'll get it all in the pot. Right, I've cut everything up. I put my potatoes in some water just so they don't get brown. Cut the carrots up. 2 onions, quite a lot of onions there. I mean, it just says 2 onions. I don't know if it says, didn't say large or anything, just says 2 onions. So I've got large ones. So it says first things first is, where is it? Place all in a pan, fry the mince and onions together. I'm not going to put no oil in the pan because I'm going to get loads of fat off them. So we're just going to get them in. Right, let's get them both in there. Put this one up. Get the paper off. And get the onions in. I'll mash that up first actually. And I'll get them fried up for a couple of minutes. Right, the mince is done. I have drained it, got rid of the fat. Next it says, add the carrots and the tomato and the potatoes. So we'll get them in. Just drain these off, well, get the water out of them. I've done my carrots quite chunky. Carrots, I'll get potatoes in. I haven't done all the potatoes, I've only done half a bag. Next, this is looking quite nice, this is. Tomato puree and stock. How many tomato puree was it? 4 tablespoons. I'll get the stock in first. Squeeze the head. Things don't start burning. I put 2 what they're called? 2 stock cubes in. So on 4 of these. Not even open, brand new. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of that. Bring to the boil and simmer till soft. I'll give that a little stir. I mean, look at all this. I don't think I says. I think the whole lot cost me. I think it was £7. £7. What was it? £7.50. I think it was. That was with the Tabasco. I think. Yeah, £7. Yeah, £7.25. But that was with a big bag of sweet corn. So you take it. They didn't have any tins, so you only wanted a tin. Yes, about £7.5, £8 altogether. Well, I'm going to leave that to simmer till the veg is soft. Right, now then, this smell I've got in my kitchen, it's a proper, authentic school dinner smell. It actually smells of school dinners, and it smells delicious. Now they've all been boiling away a bit, while simmering. They've gone soft. It smells gorgeous. Now it says, add the baked beans, sweet corn, Tabasco sauce, and season with salt and pepper. Cook for 10 minutes. So that's what we'll do. But it doesn't say about the beans, whether we should put the juices in, or whether we should drain them. So I'm just going to stick the juices in. Smells gorgeous. Get in. Get the beans in. Get in there. There's a couple left in that one. Now, as I say, I haven't got any, I'm going to get this sweet corn. So, I'm just going to put a bit of this in. That'll do, I think. I mean, look at all this. It's absolute full to the brim. Give it a mix. Bowl of this each, and then you freeze the rest, wouldn't you? Look at it all. Right, I want some Tabasco in now. To taste, I suppose. When I say salt and pepper, you know, I suppose it's to taste. Put a couple of drops of that in. Take my time before I taste it. Salt and pepper. And we'll taste as we go. Give that a little stir. Oh yes. Let me just taste that sauce. A bit more. Well, I'm going to let that boil for about, well, simmer for about 10 minutes. And then we'll have a go with it. But it smells gorgeous. Right guys, it's done. And it smells absolutely delicious. Now I have had a little taste of the sauce. I haven't tasted anything else, so I've had a little taste of the sauce to get the seasoning. And there's not much salt in there, which is what I want. I want the authentic taste. And to be fair, it reminds me of in the winter at school. And it tastes absolutely gorgeous. The sauce does anyway. I mean, look how much is there. It's full, isn't it? A bowl of that. I mean, how many will that serve? All this, there's loads. For like £7.50 or whatever it was. Anyway, I'm going to dish it up now. So let's spoon some into a bowl. Oh yes. Some of that. Making a bloody mess, doesn't matter. Potato. With some extra carrots on there. Look at it. Bowl of goodness. Just like school dinner. And look how much is left. There's loads. And I've also done, because me and Nat are going to have this for our tea, I've also done a few little things. Obviously they're not part of the school dinner bit, but yum yum. Right, let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste test. Right, there we go. I don't know if you can see that properly. But it smells delicious. And that's sitting at the table. I don't think she'll eat hers though. Because she doesn't like beans and she doesn't like sweet corn.
Oh, I hate sweet corn.
Yeah, I don't like sweet corn there, but I have to do it as authentic bag. Just dip it bread in.
Yeah.
I'm going to try mine for the first time though.
It's quite nice.
Yum yum. That's very hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh yes, that's nice.
It smells it.
Ooh. That does remind me of school dinners. It does 100%. Boiling hot. Oh, I like that. There's not much salt in there because I didn't want to put too much in because I want that authentic taste. Just enough Tabasco as well. Yes, I like that. That's very nice. It's really hot. It's burning my chest. I got the bread. I mean, look at that. I'm in cheap meal. Ah, it's boiling. It's boiling hot. It's burning out.
Hot.
Sauce in it.
That will warm you up on a winter's day though. Jeez.
Yeah,
That's nice.
will.
That's quite nice, you know.
It's nice, isn't it?
I don't mind it actually. I can't taste the baked beans.
Yeah.
And I'm just skipping around the sweet corn anyway.
Yeah.
But I think it tastes really nice.
It's really nice. And it reminds me of school. That's a bang on one.
Yeah, it does.
And there's a full pot left, and that's me and that. So about £7.50. But you can freeze all that. You're laughing. So there you go, Cowboy Hotpot, and it's gorgeous. Try it. I'm going to go and eat it now for my tea. We have to have ours early on a Tuesday and a Thursday because the lads kickboxing and cadets. So, if you like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Yummy, yummy. Bye bye.